Welcome to Body Make and Health Management. Today we explore the secrets of living a long and vibrant life. Have you ever wondered how some people live to be over 100 years old, still walking, smiling, and even gardening? These are real lives, lived with wisdom and resilience. We're revealing the real-life longevity secrets of the world's oldest people. We will uncover the common threads that bind these extraordinary communities. From the sun-drenched islands of the Mediterranean to the serene villages of East Asia. It's a fascinating exploration into how choices, environment, and respect for life shape our mortal coil. We will look at diet, movement, purpose, and social connections. Prepare to be inspired and reconsider some of your own daily habits as we delve into the wisdom accumulated over generations. Let's begin our journey into longevity. Chapter 1. Eat less, live longer. Our first observation takes us to the fundamental act of sustenance eating. Many centenarians practice a form of caloric moderation. Consider the people of Okinawa, Japan, guided by the principle of hara hachibu, eating until 80% full. This mindful eating helps maintain a healthier body weight. It lowers systemic inflammation and improves metabolic health. Scientific studies show mild calorie restriction can slow biological aging. It activates longevity pathways, protecting cells and enhancing repair mechanisms. Similar patterns of moderate eating are observed in other longevity hotspots. Our bodies function optimally when not overwhelmed. The first secret from these elders is mindful consumption. Aim to eat until satisfied, not stuffed. Listen to your body's subtle cues. Chapter 2. Whole foods over processed. Centenarians favor foods in their most natural state. They avoid ultra-processed foods and sugary drinks. In Sardinia, Italy, the traditional diet is rich in homegrown vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and olive oil. This Mediterranean-type diet fosters a healthy gut microbiome. It enhances brain function and protects against chronic diseases. Ultra-processed foods offer little genuine nourishment. They contribute to chronic inflammation and disrupt metabolic balance. The wisdom of long-lived populations lies in their adherence to whole, unprocessed foods. The second secret is the importance of food quality. Strive to fill your grocery cart with foods that don't come with a barcode. Think fresh produce, whole grains, lean proteins, and legumes. Choose foods your great-grandparents would recognize. Chapter 3. Move naturally every day. Another critical pillar of longevity is movement. Centenarians engage in natural, consistent daily movement. In Nicoya Peninsula, Costa Rica, elders remain remarkably active. Their days are filled with purposeful motion. This constant, low-intensity motion offers numerous benefits. It keeps the cardiovascular system healthy and joints flexible. Muscle mass is better preserved through consistent engagement. The key is the consistency and integration of movement. It's about an environment that encourages movement throughout the day. Longevity is cultivated through a lifetime of natural activity. Find ways to weave more movement into your lifestyle. Build movement into your daily rhythm. Chapter 4. Have a strong sense of purpose. Long-living individuals possess a clear reason to greet each new day. In Okinawa, this concept is encapsulated by the word ikigai. It means a reason for being or that which makes life worthwhile. This sense of purpose provides a powerful psychological anchor. It fosters emotional well-being and helps keep the mind engaged. Purpose does not need to be grand. It can be found in simple, everyday connections. The act of caring for another living being can provide fulfillment. Sharing wisdom or being a supportive presence contributes to a strong ikigai. The absence of purpose can lead to apathy and decline in vitality. Living longer is linked to the nourishment of the spirit. Ask yourself, what makes you feel genuinely useful and connected? Discovering your own ikigai could be a profound step towards a longer, happier life. Chapter 5. Strong social connections. Longevity is supported by strong social connections. People in longevity zones live deeply embedded within tight-knit communities. In Loma Linda, California, Seventh-day Adventists exhibit longer lifespans. They emphasize community and faith, fostering a sense of belonging. Strong social bonds mitigate stress and promote emotional resilience. Loneliness is linked to negative health outcomes. Humans are wired for connection. Weak connections create chronic stress. Long-lived individuals understand the importance of staying connected. Multi-generational households ensure elders remain integrated into family life. Community celebrations and shared meals reinforce social ties. Invest in your friendships and nurture relationships with uplifting people. Surround yourself with a supportive tribe. Chapter 6. Low stress, high gratitude. The state of one's mind plays a crucial role in aging. Stress ages us faster than almost any other factor. Cultivating low stress and high gratitude is key to vitality. Long-living individuals manage stress and foster peace through daily practices. In Okinawa, Greece, life unfolds at an unhurried pace. Afternoon naps are a restorative practice. Chronic stress leads to elevated cortisol, harming the body. Managing stress protects against negative effects. Gratitude shifts focus from difficulties to blessings. It lowers cortisol levels and boosts the immune system. Take 5 minutes each day to reflect on what you are grateful for. This simple practice can rewire your brain for greater health and happiness. Chapter 7. Sleep like your life depends on it. Sleep is a fundamental aspect of health. Centenarians prioritize obtaining sufficient, high-quality sleep. They adhere to natural sleep-wake cycles. Evenings are free from stimulating blue light. Sleep is a period of critical repair and restoration. Chronic sleep deprivation impairs cognitive function and weakens the immune system. The brain relies on sleep to clear out toxins. Centenarians respect the nightly ritual of renewal. Their lifestyles promote good sleep hygiene naturally. The seventh secret is making sleep a non-negotiable priority. Create a sleep-friendly routine and establish consistent sleep patterns. Treat sleep as a precious, life-sustaining resource. Our exploration into the lives of the world's oldest people draws to a close. We have journeyed through their dietary habits, movement, purpose, social connections, mindsets, and respect for sleep. What emerges is a beautiful, interwoven tapestry of lifestyle choices. These principles are available to us all. A long and vibrant life results from simple, consistent practices. Nourish the body with whole foods, keep it active, find meaning, foster strong bonds, manage stress, and honor sleep. These are timeless truths, now illuminated by modern understanding. The journey to a healthier life is one of small, sustainable steps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who might benefit from this wisdom. Don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.